Okay, this is just a quick progress video that we got going so far.
You're listening to the Wolfman Jack Show.
Just real quick. We'll be back. And more progress. And right now we're gonna get ready to move this stuff over right here. It's gonna be blocking a lot of the pattern, but I just wanted you to look at it real quick. You see the progress that we had, and now I just want to go over everything that we've done with you real quick. So basically we got all this done right here. And these things that they had over here, the real big items, or it's like a jungle gym and all the stuff that they play on, and that was all over here. So we moved it all on this side. And now we're gonna finish off our tile over here and all around here and tie it into the kitchen area. And this is all gonna be just a solid blue around this edge right here. It's gonna be pretty easy for us. And if you notice, I had to put another transition strip here. And what that did was it allowed us to slide this over, these things over, because they were over here. And we put them on sliders and slid them all the way over to this side. And the sliders are, I don't know if you can see it on the bottom, these little black things hanging out. It's like kind of like a memory foam. And then on the bottom of it, there's felt. Let me show you what they look like real quick. So I have this bag here, and I got a bunch of them in here. See, this is a smaller version of it. There's the felt right there, and then there's the memory foam. And we put those underneath with the black side up, and it allows the furniture to slide without scratching it. And then I was showing you the other day, let me get this tile here real quick, how we do this transition strip. And basically what we do is we have our edge here, and you notice the glue extended out. This is still really tacky. You know what we do when we tie into it now is we're gonna heat it up a little bit to reactivate it, and we'll stick the tile down. But when we get ready to lay the tile, we're gonna tie in the new glue to this side. So all this will be glued right here. So we'll work from this side this way. And we'll have all this, like I said, glued. And then we'll install the tile. But for right now, I had to put this strip here. And basically what it is it's a tile. It sits like about like that. Right, in this case it was a little bigger, but it's just scraps that we have left over. See, so it's not touching the other tile. There's a gap in between it. And to bridge that gap, we put another piece like that over it, okay? And then we put the tape, see the tape, on both sides. So we put one here and one here, just like that, okay? And that allows us to roll stuff over it, so when we do roll something over it, it doesn't mess with the glue. Plus it also keeps the glue clean so it doesn't get contaminated. And then when we take that off, say boom, take that off, we get ready to spread the glue on this side right here, right, on this side, we just pop this off and it's ready. But the chances are sometimes what it's gonna do is it's gonna stick, and then when we pull it off, you might pull off some of the glue. But we can still patch that, but we don't want it to be too close, see? And like I was showing you that other doorway over there that we did, a lot of times what guys will do is they'll snap a line and they'll glue to that line, right? they'll glue to the line, and then you have to butt into the tile with your new set of glue. But it's almost like when you paint something, or you draw something, or you sign something, it's never the same signature. So the glue that you put up to this might be a little higher or a little lower, so your tile is going to have a height change. But here it's consistent. And if you have a height change, it's going to be out here. It's going to be gradually come down rather than be right up to it. See?